Welcome to our guide on creating custom GPTs for ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to build a helpful assistant, a creative collaborator, or a technical support expert, custom GPTs can be tailored to meet your needs. Let's dive into the process of creating your very own GPT. To begin, head over to chatgpt.com/GPT/editor or click on your profile name and select My GPTs. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the GPT Editor, click on Create a GPT. Here, you'll be greeted by the GPT Builder. You can start by messaging it something simple, like make a software engineer who helps format my code, or create a creative who generates visuals for new products. The Builder will help you shape your GPT based on your needs. Next, let's move to the Configure tab. This is where you can fine-tune your GPT. Start by giving it a name and a description that clearly defines its purpose. You can also decide what actions your GPT can perform, like browsing the web or generating images. Want to get even more specific? The Configure tab also lets you add an image to represent your GPT, provide detailed instructions on how it should behave, and even set prompt starters to guide user interactions. Custom GPTs can also have advanced capabilities. You can enable web browsing, DALL-E image generation, and advanced data analysis. Plus, you can connect third-party APIs to your GPT, allowing it to interact with external services. Once you're happy with your GPT, it's time to publish. Simply click Publish and decide whether you'd like to share it with others. Your GPT is now live and ready to assist. As the owner of your ChatGPT workspace, you can manage and monitor your GPT's performance. Head to Manage Workspace under your account settings to see all your published GPTs. Here, you can edit their settings, ownership, and access. Wondering how well your GPT is performing? The Chats column in your GPT's list shows how many conversations have been initiated. Keep an eye on these metrics to understand your GPT's usage and impact. Before we wrap up, let's cover a common question. How many files can you upload to a GPT? The answer is up to 20 files. This allows your GPT to have a rich repository of knowledge at its disposal. And that's it. You've successfully created your own custom GPT. Whether it's for personal use or sharing with others, your GPT is now a powerful tool tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy creating.